What's going on, guys? People Cars here, and today we're gonna do some basic like maintenance items and stuff. So right now we're gonna replace the heater control valve right here. It's been leaking a little bit, and this one's pretty old and might be stock, so we got a new replacement part. So let's get right to it. Here's everything you'll pretty much need. Here's the new part, and what I did is I like matched it up, see if it like the right way, and also this thing you move, it like controls it with that little, I think, pulley or whatever it's called. Not pulley, but you know. And then got a flathead screwdriver, 10 mil, and then just like a rag that's gonna leak some coolant. So yeah, let's get right to it. It's for this. I'm only 5'11", so I just need this, so I can just like bend over and get it. So yeah, also just put the rag like under it. I don't know, like, well, I'll do it better, but you know. Okay, I tried the step tool on both sides, and then like right here, I think, but yeah, it's just not gonna really work. So I think I'm just gonna have to do it like this, which is not gonna be too bad. So let me get that rag on and well under it, and yeah. All right, once you got the rag over, you're gonna get your flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna untighten the hose clamps. Oh, and then you get, as you see, it's starting to leak, so you're gonna have to hold that. So as you see, when you take off the hose clamps, you see some of the coolant that has leaked onto the rag. So that also kind of means like this needs replacing anyway. So after that, pretty sure this is not a 10 mil. I thought it was. I think it's, I don't know, 11 mil or something. I have to see, but I think you have to unscrew this bracket and then take this off by sliding it off like that, and then I think just put it like that so this won't break, and then I think you have to take this off. Alright, my dad helped me get it off because it was my first time ever doing this. So what he did is he used a flathead to get this thing off, the line. And then also, you're gonna, what you do is you're gonna pull these, you just wiggle, and then you just like pull them. And get your rag and you're gonna clean it up. And then also, make sure you hold this coolant line, this coolant hose, with like something like that. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the old one off and fresh up this bracket. I'm gonna go clean it up and probably spray paint it black or chrome, I don't know. Oh, not chrome, I don't think I have it, but yeah, just to freshen it up so it won't rust, because right now it's kind of slowly rusting from just the years of being in here. So yeah. Alright, so I got a regular screwdriver. I'm just gonna unscrew these two screws. I'm going to use the new hardware that came with it, luckily. Well, before I do that, I'm going to spray paint this pretty quickly, so yeah. And also, by the way, that bolt was a 10 mil, so I was right. Alright, this is what it looks like when it comes off. I think it's like failing just like right here. I don't know, but yeah, pretty crusty. That's going in the trash. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this bracket up because this is disgusting in the garage, and then I'm going to spray paint it black outside, so yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand this piece of metal with 100 grit sandpaper, which honestly I would probably use a higher grit, but it's just, I guess, what I had. Alright, so I got the bracket mostly sanded down. I'm probably gonna stop here, which normally I would sand the whole thing, but doing it by hand, it just takes longer, so now it's more than a 30-minute job. But then I'm gonna clean this and I'm gonna spray paint this black and then wait for that to dry, then put everything back on. So yeah, luckily it's just a bracket. It's not like interior piece or something, like, I don't know, like that you can see really. So yeah, normally I would use the vise in the garage and then use some other tools, but because there's cars in there, so I don't want like dust to get on it or whatever. All right, got the bracket cleaned up best I could. It's just surface rust. It's not gonna spray. It's fine. Plus just the bracket. So I got some Rust-Oleum. This is all I really had that was like black. It's just engine element, so I mean it is well in the engine bay, so kind of fits, I guess. So just stick it up really good. It's kind of old. It might be, it doesn't feel like it's moving in there, so I might have to get a new can, but we'll see. I'll test it on the cardboard first. Seems like it's good, so get right to spraying. Let's do some light coats. Alright, it's pretty good. This is the spot here. Alright, let that dry. And yeah, probably do another one on the other side. Alright, so I'm gonna do the last coats. I'm gonna do, one on this side and then another one on this side because it was a light coat. So yeah, let me just, alright, got the last of the coats, pretty sure. Maybe on this side I need more, but yeah, looks alright. Alright, here's the bracket. Turned out alright. I mean, it's just like an engine bay, part, so it's whatever. Alright, got the new part on the bracket, and I made sure this is the right way by just looking back on all old photos, so you should do that too if you're doing this as well. So yeah, looks good. And time to put it back on. Alright, luckily I got this light, so I'm just gonna move the rag. Make sure that, okay, yeah. That coolant line didn't move, that's good. So now we're just gonna put it back, so yeah. Alright, I got it in. Took me like 10 minutes maybe. It's because of that awkward angle. So we have to put this line on first, obviously. Actually no, well, obviously first tighten this, and then you put this coolant hose on first, and then you clamp it. Is it rubbing? No, it's not. Okay, so make sure it's not touching it because it needs room to move, because it's gonna go, that way to open this up. And then yeah, obviously tighten both hose clamps, and then put this right here. Oh, focus, yeah, right there. And then obviously put this through little thing, and yeah, looks way better than before. What's funny, it kind of looks out of shape since a lot of this black is like, I don't know, deteriorating, but yeah. But one day I'll swap this motor. But oh, okay, well, my phone's still glitching a little bit, if you haven't known that already. Anyway, so hopefully tomorrow we'll be doing the fastener thing still for the spoiler, because I haven't put the spoiler back on. So fortunately, because of the rust spot I fixed from a couple episodes back. But yeah, I'm glad this turned out good. Look at this sunset, man. God bless America, man. It's almost 4th of July. Right, the helicopter. Man, it just keeps getting better and better. Alright, so next week, I kind of ran out of time, so also happy 4th of July. I got my Padres, 4th of July hat on, even though they're not doing so good at the time of this recording, but yeah, anyway, hopefully the fireworks are good, so I'll show you some of that. Alright, so right now, for the grill, I need to buy some of these on Amazon. They're just little grill things, so my grill can hold, so it won't just fall off eventually, because the ones that are on there right now are just broken. This one's kind of broken. It's supposed to be little things sticking out to the sides, but I'm gonna have to order some parts. So yeah, but I'm gonna also try to finish the fastener tomorrow. But right now it's 4th of July, so we enjoy the fireworks soon. But yeah, Phoebe's little spot. The first. Man, this is sick. Happy 4th of July, man.
Happy 250.
Ooh! God bless America. And we're trying to take this trail to go up the freaking mountain. What? North America. Hell yeah. We're gonna try to go up the hill, but I don't think we can.
It's not that tall. We went up there with our bikes before.
Oh yeah, I know.
All the way up there.
Happy 250 birthday, America. God bless America. Hell yeah, brother. We gotta make it higher.
You want me to hold that too?
Yeah, just don't drop it. Alright, Carter, we gotta make it up there.
Oh, I can't fucking breathe.
God bless America. We made it up the hill. Someone's having a finale over there. Man, this is sketchy. We made it up top of the mountain. Fireworks ended. They were pretty good over here, but that's the aftermath. Oh, Poway. And it's gonna wrap up today's video. I kind of ran out of time anyway, so thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, and yeah, please subscribe.